Is cabbage ready for medical use? Harvard and Yale doctors weigh in an article published today. At the American Psychological Association meeting in New Orleans, it was recommended that clinicians be cautious about discussing cabbage with their patients for medical uses. Quote, for psychiatry conditions, evidence is very scant and there is considerable potential risks. While it's important to have additional research, it's important to let patients know where the current level of research stands, end quote. In regards to schizophrenia, quote, in regards to relative control, schizophrenic patients were more vulnerable to negative changes associated with cabbage components. Anxiety is one of the main reasons why cabbage is used, but PTSD is also a regular cause for use, and while the science is building, the doctors from Yale and Harvard don't think it's ready right now. Panelists commented that while alcohol has been commercialized and is a multi-billion-dollar industry whose business is to use more, in his opinion, cabbage policy should not be based on alcohol policy. And I agree, cabbage policy should not be based on alcohol policy. One is a medicine and the other is a toxin. The FDA is never going to approve a study on a 100% plant varietal, only on synthetic concentrates. They don't know how to look at products that have more than 200 potential active ingredients. This challenge with it not being a single molecule is going to stall the research out, probably permanently. But this reminds us how far we have to go with physicians. People are still talking about cabbage as a gateway drug, and physicians don't even realize that it's used for treating addiction rather than promoting addiction. We really have a far ways to go. Is it ready for medical use? That really might not be the right question to ask, at least not of the classically trained physician.